Hi guys, it's Jamie here, and today we have a really quick little video for you on how to decorate multiple journal pages really quickly, but so that each one is different, leaves plenty of journaling space, but still has areas of interest for the recipient of the journal. So keep watching, and we're going to go back in time with the two only instructions for doing this. Today we're going to be adding some very quick page design ideas again, so that every page in the junk journal has something of interest. For this purpose, I'm going to be using stencils. So I'm just going to use one colour and just take any sort of generic stencil, or it could be a stencil with words, whatever you've got, letters. I'm using the vintage photo, and I'm just going to very lightly add a bit of detail to the page wherever I feel it might need a little bit of extra something. And it doesn't have to be dramatic. That's the first stage. So every page, I've got this here to protect it. I'm going to be adding a bit of stenciling. And the other thing I'm going to do while I have this ink stamp out is with every page, I'm going to go round the edges. And you can do it this way, which is quite quick, just to aid any clean edges that I've cut, because I want different size pages in the journal, not all the same size. So I've been trimming different widths off and different lengths. I am going to be aging all the way round, and it creates a nice frame for anything else, and it will be on every single page that I do that, including the spine, including this central bit here. I will come back when I have stenciled and aged all these pages. Let's quickly run through what's been done so far. Although this doesn't look like it, that's actually a stencil. You can see the spider's web here. Not sure what I put on there, but you can't see it very well. This side you've got a bit of brickwork. Here you've got the smile of a sugar skull, a little bit of a floral, some arrows, alphabet. So as you can see, each page might have a small stencil on it or a larger one. Depending. I've even done the odd word, just a few lines. That's just some numbers, very faded, a little moon, and so on. So that's just some of the ones that have been done. The next thing is to choose some stamps, script ones, and to stamp them with the same colour. I happen to have a lot of script stamps, partly because I ordered them from China and was willing to wait for the delivery times. That makes them cheaper. If you've only got a few, that's fine as well. It doesn't matter. If you've only got one, that's okay. You may even want to add your own handwriting or stencil letters through. Just create some very subtle decorations on your page. I'll come back when I've been through this lot with the script stamps. I was going to do more to these pages, but having gone through them and added some stamps here and there, or not, depending on whether I felt they needed them or not, and sometimes I've added more than one, I've clustered them because I think the clustering looks quite good. Let me see if there's another example of clustering. Here I've actually deliberately gone over where you'd be sewing it in, so you'd see that side or that side. Here you've got a bit of a clustering effect over here. This one I like so much I didn't want to add anything to it, but then here you can see there's a table, arrows, script, stencil. I didn't think you needed to add anything to that one. That's how I made my decision process, was just go through it, and what might look good with a bit extra added, what wouldn't. I'm hoping you can see the detail on here because they are very similar colours, so it is subtle, but that's the point. They're journaling pages that you can write all over, but have subtle differences between each one and therefore create interest in the journal for the recipient. That is it for today. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to the channel and leave me a comment as to what you think about this very, very quick page decorating process. And I will see you next time.